Hello, I'm Debbie Peverell, and you subscribe to the weekly tip that comes from our Painless Financial Learning website. This week's tip is about childcare. Childcare can be an issue. It doesn't work out as simply as you would hope. There's a couple of cases where even though you've paid for childcare and you've got a legitimate receipt, you're not going to be able to make that deduction. First thing to think about is the childcare has to be deducted from the parent with the lowest income. So if you're in a situation where for whatever reason one parent doesn't have any taxable income in that year, you're not going to get a childcare deduction unless the parent was in school or jail. So assuming that neither of those are the case, you don't get a childcare deduction if you simply have a parent that doesn't have any income for the year. The other issue that comes up with my self-employed clients all the time is that childcare cannot exceed more than 2/3 of your earned income. Which sounds okay, except that dividends aren't considered to be earned income. So for tax reasons, I have a lot of my clients taking dividends rather than salary because it's more tax efficient, and there's plenty of other articles on this site you could read about that. But if you only take dividends, and that's not considered earned income, so you won't get a child care deduction. You need to make sure you're organizing things if you've got significant child care so that you do take some salary so that you can take that child care deduction. So something to think about. If you've got a situation where both parents are taking dividends, you're going to have to be pretty careful. In a situation where one parent has salary and the other parent has dividends, you've got to make sure the salaried parent has the lowest income so that they're going to be able to claim the child care against their earned income. Okay? So those are the two things to watch out for with child care. There's lots of other information on the site about why you might want to take dividends or salary. Thanks very much. See you next week.